can we become a good astrologer?
So easy, na? Nowadays, there are so many departmental stores. Study for 2 months, become astrologer. Do an online course, 15 classes, become astrologer. And so easy. Yesterday, one student of mine just launched one astrology course. How to predict in cricket matches. Isn't it funny? It's like every shop is now selling on the counters astrology courses. But on a serious note, you don't become astrologers. Astrology chooses you. You don't choose astrology. Astrology chooses you. None of the astrologers can become astrologer in one life. It is from the past which is going on, which you carry, the prabhat karmas, which makes you the astrologer. As I said, astrology chooses you. So even if you pick up a book, you don't understand any concepts out of it. It is that it has to come automatically from the past, from the higher somewhere to connect you. And which is the planet? Ketu. Ketu is the planet which signifies your past, moksha, karma. Yes, Saturn, but Ketu also. That is knowledge, detachment. So one thing you will notice in astrologer's chart, the prominence of 2 and 8 axis, 5th house, 8th house and the 12th house. Any of these astrologers or any of the known astrologers who's got accuracy, you will see the role of these houses and the Ketu. I'm not negating other 7 planets and even the 8th Rahu also, because every planet gives you something, and every house, all the 12 houses will give you something. 1 will be personality, 2 will be your words, 3 will be your speech, and so on and so forth. So if you want to become an astrologer, just pray that astrology chooses you. And from somewhere you will find that guru who will pick you up and nourish you into something which I call is a service to the people. That's why you must have seen that I don't sell astrology. I don't take money. I don't sell anything. Because end of the day, what I've studied in so many years is basically to provide the service so that I can touch anybody's life and souls and make them better by showing them the path. That's what is the role of a guru.